Namaste, my name is Rui Zemra. I'm an international meditation master. Today I want to speak why should we eat fermented vegetables like kimchi and how to make them. All of us need healthy intestines with 85% beneficial bacteria because 80% of our immune system depends on the gut, and only healthy guts can absorb all the nutrients like enzymes, vitamins and minerals. If we have no healthy bowels through the consumption of industrial processed foods or meat and dairy products produced using antibiotics that kill our beneficial bacteria, eating too little fresh food with enzymes that we need. So what do we need to do to clean our intestines and make them healthy? Unpasteurized fermented vegetables are very good for our intestines because they give our intestines the right bacteria and replace the wrong bacteria, and they cleanse the intestine. If the intestines are cleaned through fermented raw vegetables, we can absorb many more nutrients such as magnesium, enzymes, vitamins. In addition, fermented veggies are a good antioxidant. Okay, the best is when we consume junk food, or the best is if we consume junk food or antibiotics, then to eat afterwards fermented vegetables that give our intestines the proper bacteria. Fermented vegetables are so easy to make on your own. I eat fermented veggies daily, even with every meal. We need a month to eat fermented vegetables, 7 spoons a day for good intestine cleansing. How to do fermented vegetable? This is a simple procedure. One can choose almost all vegetables and mix them with different vegetables and even choose mushrooms. Okay, we clean the vegetable, peel them if necessary, cut them in small pieces, so smaller the pieces and so softer the vegetable, so faster is the fermenting. That makes sense, no? Add a little salt. We can add to the vegetable garlic and or ginger to protect the fermenting. In hot climate like where I live, South Thailand, it is better to do so. Then we fill the clean pots with choppy veggies. Press the vegetable downwards again and again with a wooden presser. Fill it higher and higher and press it downwards so that the vegetable is really tight with far less air in between. Then we put water in the vegetable jar so that the jar is filled up to 1 to 2 inches under the lid. Close the lid and the vegetable will ferment. In warm weather, 5 to 7 days, in cool weather for up to 3 weeks. Okay. How to do kimchi? Kimchi recipe is native to Korea. Actually, I love it a lot more than regular fermented vegetable. The genius idea of kimchi is to add sugar to the fermentation so that we get the fermentation without losing too much starch and without adding water. The original recipe is dull. The ingredients are Chinese cabbage, radish, eggplant, carrot, ginger, salt, sugar, sweet pepper powder, and awful disgusting fish soup, and no water. I am a vegan and I enjoy making it more delicious and healthy. Chinese kale 40 to 50%, beetroot 40 to 50%, ginger, garlic 5 to 10%, seaweed, brown sugar, Himalaya pink salt, So I cut the ginger, garlic, put it in a blender. I add for a 2-liter jar 1 to 2 tablespoons brown sugar, sieve it a half cup, a bit of water, and toss again. The water will be absorbed by the civet. Then I wash the Chinese cauli, dry it somehow, cut it in pieces, massage it in a big vessel, add 1 teaspoon salt so that the Chinese cauli reduces of the size to 50% in the vessel. Then wash the beetroot in water, peel or brush the beetroot in water, cut them into small pieces. Mix all the ingredients together. Chinese cauli, blended ginger, garlic, civet, sugar, beetroots. Fill them in a jar. Press again and again our kimchi with a wooden tamper so that there is less air between the vegetables. Close the lid, relax and wait 5 to 7 days in hot climate and up to 3 weeks in cool climate. Bon appetit. Okay. We can make fermented vegetable with a mason pot and a clamping cover so that it is well sealed. This is the best solution. I make it so. The other choice is with a metallic lid, which we can close, but the metallic lid can be used only several times. And the last generation just did it in a pot and put some stones on the vegetable. So my mother did it. Okay. All works. Okay. Thank you that I could speak to you, and bye.